This is a peonies bed that has some invasive plants that need to be removed. I'll cut out the woody perennials that are growing in here and stump treat with a 2% glyphosate solution on the ends of the stump. Looking at the peonies material that's left, you can see that it's diseased, so it doesn't need just to be cut down and left in the bed. In this case, it needs to be removed from the bed so the fungal disease isn't readily available to reinfest the regrowth next spring. And there's other ornamental plants in this bed, but I'll get rid of the invasives and stump treat the invasives. This is Oriental Bittersweet, which will grow in beds. It's kind of tough to grow, control in season. And then I just have a couple tree starts, that a maple tree and a ash tree that need to be removed. We'll see what it looks like after I clean up this bed. Now that we got the debris, we're back to having a flower bed. The woody ornamentals in this bed were stump treated with glyphosate, so hopefully if they regrow, we'll get that addressed in the spring with pruning and treatment again. The Oriental Bittersweet was pulled up by the root, but next year I'll need to pay attention to regrowth by that weed because it's rhizomatous, so some remaining root may shoot up some new shoots. Pulled out the grass that was in the bed, spread from the yard to the bed, to where we're back to having mainly a peonies bed with some lilies and some bulbs that are here that will give color early in the spring. The bed is completed. The debris is removed. Did add some organic matter on top to kind of replace the leaves that I removed from this bed due to disease. But this bed's ready to go for next year, but we'll have to monitor it next year for invasive plants. Get ahead of the program next year to keep them out and allow the peonies, lilies, and my bulb plants to flourish.